there, beautiful people. Ever wanted to master the art of hair weaving? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm going to walk you through a flawless hair weave tutorial inspired by none other than the celebrity stylist, DR.BOOGIE. Yep, you heard that right. So grab your tools and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about selecting the right hair extensions. This step is crucial, folks. You want to choose extensions that match your natural hair texture and color as closely as possible. DR.BOOGIE swears by 100% human hair extensions because they blend beautifully and are super easy to style. Synthetic hair, not so much. It can look shiny and unnatural, and it's harder to manage. Okay, now that we've got our extensions, let's prep our natural hair. Make sure your hair is clean and thoroughly detangled. I can't stress this enough. Detangled hair is key. You don't want any knots or tangles when you're weaving. Then, part your hair into sections. This makes the process a lot more manageable. Ready for the fun part? Let's start weaving. Take a small section of your natural hair and braid it tightly against your scalp. This forms the base for your weave. Secure the end of the braid with a small rubber band. Now, get your needle and thread ready. Using a curved needle and nylon thread, sew the hair extension onto the base braid. Be gentle but firm. You want it to be secure but not too tight. Repeat this process row by row until you've covered your entire head. Now, let's blend, blend, blend. This is where the magic happens, folks. Use a flat iron or curling wand to style your hair so that the extensions blend seamlessly with your natural hair. You can also trim the extensions to match the length of your natural hair. The goal is to make it look as natural as possible. A little tip from DR.BOOGIE: always finish with a light hairspray or serum to keep everything in place and add a touch of shine. And voila! You've just nailed a flawless hair weave. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you'll get. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous. And remember to feed your hair under the weave with bionic hair oil to continue to promote healthy.